Hey, this is Eric with Black Swan Odysseys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's a short video on how to reset your service indicator light on your KTMs. In my case, this is a 2018 Super Adventure S. I hear that the reset process is the same all the way up to 2021. At 2022, the process is different, but who knows, maybe it'll work for your bike. So give it a try, see if it works. Okay, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and turn the ignition on. So go over here, power on my ignition. You don't have to start the bike all the way up. Just want to bring up your home screen. And once I get to here, now I want to go to my settings. And first I want to show you where the info is stored, because there are two different places. So I'll come over here to my set button. And then I'm going to go up to Info, click over, now I'll go down to the Service tab. Once I get here, slide over, and you can see my next service is at 9,300 miles currently, and my date is at 4/17. Now, this is a weird thing, because I think my clock is off. That's one of the problems here. I'm going to show you how you can set each one of those independently. So we'll go back over here to my rocker bar, go back to home, go back to my main screen here, and instead of this time, I'm going to go down to preferences instead of info. So I'll rock her down, and when I get right to here, this is where you want to stop. If you go to this screen, you've gone too far. You need to back it up once. So at this point here, what I want to do is go to the two up-down rocker buttons, and I'm going to press and hold those together. And you see here now it gets into the adjustment mode, and I currently have it on months, so you can do it by date. So I can rock it forward, and I can set it all the way up to a 12-month period if I want. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my mileage. So I will scroll up to my mileage highlighted. Currently it's set at 9,300 miles. That's KTM's recommended oil change period every 9,300 miles. For me, that's a little bit long. I like to keep my oil change sooner. It's a cheap insurance. So at this point, I'll go over here to my set button, and I start rocking that forward. I can only go one way. It does it 300 miles per click, and I'm going to go up to 6,000 miles. Once I have my desired setting for my mileage, I'm going to come back here to my back button. I'll hit that, go all the way out of the screen. Now, I'll go ahead and start up my bike. You don't have to, but I'm going to just for the video. Hit the start. Now I'm going to go back to my setting menus. I'm going to go up to Info, all the way down to Service. And you can see now I have my service set for 6,000 miles. My next service on date, according to this, remember that's off. I'm just gonna discount that. What that 6,000 miles does, if I go back to my home screen, odometer reading currently is 24,129 miles. With plus 6,000, my next oil change light should come on at 30,129 miles. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process. It's not intuitive. That's just the way KTM is. But once you know the path to follow on the computer screen, it's pretty quick to reset your service light indicator. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next ride.